Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today our science topic is flower. First of all, listen this point.
Flowers, flowers everywhere, oh they look so bright. See them in many colors, what a pretty sight. Flowers have petals in different shapes and sizes. The sweet smell and color attract bees and butterflies. Some have many petals, some have just a few. From every little bud blossoms a flower new.
Flowers. Flowers grow on trees, bushes, and other kind of plants. Some plants have many flowers, others have a few. Plants grow from buds. Flowers make a garden look beautiful. There are flowers of many different colors, shapes, and sizes. Some flowers have many petals, others only have a few. Some petals are small and others are large. Better read this 3 to 5 times and take care. Allah Hafiz.